Yes, sealing a coal tar patch is optional but recommended when you want longer life and a neater finish. Coal tar mix should be compacted firmly into the hole, level with surrounding pavement, and allowed to cure fully before any sealer is applied. Most coal tar products cure by solvent evaporation and can feel set within a day but reach useful hardness over several days depending on temperature and humidity. If you decide to seal, choose a sealer compatible with coal tar. Water-based acrylic sealers can work but test a small area first to ensure adhesion. Apply sealer only when the patch and ambient surfaces are completely dry and free of loose dust or oil using a brush or a broom for thin, emulsion sealers and a squeegee or roller for thicker coats. Work in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid application before rain or heavy dew to prevent trapped moisture, which causes blistering or poor bonding. For the best visual match and protection, feather the sealer beyond the patch onto adjacent pavement by several inches to create a smooth transition and reduce edge breakdown. 3 common mistakes are sealing too soon, which traps solvents and moisture and leads to soft spots and poor adhesion. Wait until the patch is fully cured and dry to touch for at least 24 to 72 hours depending on product instructions. A second error is using an incompatible sealer that does not bond to the tar causing peeling. Resolve this by checking manufacturer guidance and doing a small adhesion test before full application. The third issue is inadequate surface preparation, where dirt, oil, or loose material prevents proper contact. Sweep and degrease the area, and if necessary, use a stiff brush to expose a firm edge so the sealer and patch meet solid, clean pavement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and enabling direct contact so you can compare options and request quotes. We also help contractors find projects and connect with local customers, and we host a discussion community where members share real-world tips, contractor experiences, and practical advice.